is the building authority for Singapore. We shape a high quality, sustainable, accessible built environment for Singapore. One of the key areas we look at is environmental sustainability. Buildings has a large energy footprint for Singapore, but 1/3 of the total electricity comes from buildings. So in a building, up to half of the electricity energy is actually consumed by the air conditioning systems. So it's a relatively big chunk of it from buildings. The rest of the energy comes from lighting, from lift elevators and other office equipment. In Singapore's climate, where it's very hot and humid throughout the year, air conditioning is required. For buildings, because we have a big part to play in our climate change mitigation plan, we need to look at how buildings can be as energy efficient as possible. We want to achieve two things. One is the energy savings for buildings, and the other one is the manpower savings.
BCA New Chiller Efficiency Smart Portal is powered by Microsoft Azure, our intelligent cloud computing platform. BCA also leverages Azure IoT services to connect and scale with efficiency, capture and analyze new data. By leveraging these new technologies, BCA can transform their operations and deliver greater efficiency and productivity within the organization, and in a flexible and agile manner through the delivery of new services such as the Chiller Efficiency Smart Portal.
This is almost a real-time monitoring of the chill water system, which is a key component of the energy cost for the building. So when there is any fault or when there is any performance that is below the expected design level, they will trigger an alarm, and I think that will actually help them to quickly rectify the issue and then help them to cut down on wastage, energy wastage. So this will become very handy for building owners and their project teams.
Data in the 21st century is like oil in the first industrial revolution in the 18th century. It is an immensely untapped asset. Like oil, for those who see data fundamental value and learn to extract and use it, there will be huge rewards. We are in a digital economy where data is more valuable than ever. In fact, 80% of data stored today are dark data, or data that we don't tap for use. In this regard, BCA is on the right track. The Chiller Efficiency Smart Portal allows BCA to provide building owners with a performance summary report of their chiller plants based on real-time data insights.
We have actually managed to hook up 20 buildings on this portal. So data has been coming in, and we are testing the reliability of the data transfer.
Going forward is the use of advanced analytics and machine learning to capture insight from the data that wasn't possible before. For example, predictive maintenance take advantage of streaming data from sensors and devices to recognize warning signs and preemptively service the equipment before its efficiency deteriorates further. With the ability to compare chiller plant performance across multiple buildings, quick insight-driven decisions can be made pertaining to scheduling preventive maintenance and to negotiate performance-based contracts with the chiller service providers.
We are exploring whether this can become an integral part of our remark assessment scheme, because right now we have to do measurement and verification, and we have to send people to site to do the measurement. With this monitoring, almost real time, we can actually do it remotely. So that will help us to cut down on our resources. But of course the main goal is still actually to help our buildings reduce their energy consumption.